FOS powder for intestinal health. FOS is a dietary supplement that is beneficial for digestive and intestinal health. FOS is pure, concentrated chain of fructooligosaccharides. It is extracted from fruits and vegetables such as bananas, onions, chicory root, garlic, asparagus, barley, wheat, jicama and leeks. Some grains and cereals such as wheat also contain FOS. Fructooligosaccharides even intends to increase calcium and magnesium absorption in the body. It is an important consideration for pre- and postmenopausal women, people of the age 45 and older who are losing critical bone mass that increases their risk for osteoporosis and bone fractures. Acts as a non-digestible fiber in the diet and so can help relieve constipation. Efficiencies: improves intestinal functions, balances intestinal flora, regulates environment of the intestines, helps to prevent constipation, helps growth of pathogenic bacteria. Who needs FOS powder? People with poor intestinal health, people suffering from constipation, traveler's diarrhea, people with more snacking habits, people with high fat levels, the modern white collars who care about their health, people who take antibiotics for more than 2 or 3 days, older people 20 sachets per box pack, 5 gram sachet, adults 2 sachets a day with warm water and other drinks, children 1 sachet a day with warm water and other drinks. Stay healthy, stay fit.